And finally, the last beach for the day. This is Limnara beach, located around 5 kilometers from central Ayia Napa, and it is sandy beach that's very close, that has also kind of a resort, I think, and it is sandy bottom over here. It is 7:20 p.m. The sun has already set, but it is still bright. Okay, now we have also some stones over here. But as my battery of the GoPro is only at 9%, I will need to speed this up. So yes, 1st of September, the day is today, and yes, the final swim for today. And it was an eventful day in the Ayia Napa. I have visited so many different beaches and beach spots, including 2 nudist beaches also. Alright, so we're gonna then dive in right away! Let's go! Alright, yes. It's quite nice evening swim over here at Limnara beach, and yeah, I think this episode is gonna be a bit shorter than usual. Fun fact, let me think if I have something to share with you about Cyprus. Yes, Larnaca is one of the cities in Cyprus. It has around 60,000 population of, and it has also an airport, and that city I might be going out to visit tomorrow and check out the beaches over there. But yeah, let's wrap up and say bye to Limnara beach, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.